Hey guys, welcome to my channel Zenith Institute where learning matters. In this video, I'm going to give you weather vocabulary in French. Vocabulaire météo français. But before going ahead, I would request you all to please subscribe to my channel Zenith Institute and click the bell icon to get the notification of our new videos. So let's begin. Il y a 4 saisons en France. There are 4 seasons in France. Let us understand this one by one. So the first season is été, été, which is summer. The next one is automne, automne. We call it autumn or fall season. The next one is hiver, hiver, which is winter, winter season, hiver. And the last one is printemps, printemps, that is a spring season. So these are the 4 seasons in French. Next is quel temps fait-il? Quel temps fait-il? This phrase they use to ask how is the weather? How is the weather? Quel temps fait-il? And this is how you can reply. Il fait froid. Il fait froid. It's cold. Il fait frais. Il fait frais. It's cool. Il neige. It's snowing. Il pleut. It's raining. Il fait beau. The weather is nice, pleasant. Il fait chaud. The weather is hot. Apart from this, there are few more words which you can use regarding your weather. Nuage, cloud, pluie, rain, arc-en-ciel, rainbow, tornade, tornado, foudre, lightning, soleil, sun, neige, snow, and the last one is lune, the moon. So I hope guys you like this video. If you like it, do share with your friends and learning partners, and thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel Zenith Institute where learning matters. Thank you so much guys.